Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is an X33 real Z28 car, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. But we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Finished in beautiful red with white stripes. Absolutely gorgeous car. Like I said, it is a real Z28 car out of the factory. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at that passenger side of the interior first. Interior is all in excellent condition. All the dash looks good. It's got a wood grain steering wheel. It's got the gauges with the 4-speed. Has the Tach in the dash. Really, really nice car. All the headliners in great shape. Back seat's got Houndstooth interior. Nice floor mats. Really, really clean car. Show you them doors. All look good. All the doors shut easy. I'm going to show you inside the trunk here. It's got a power antenna on it. That's pretty cool. Inside the trunk's finished with a spare tire and a jack. Like I said, it's got that power antenna. All nice and clean inside the trunk. It's got a nice trunk mat. Really, really nice. It's got all the stickers. Really looks good there. I'm going to shut the trunk and start it up for you. Got tilt wheel. Show you that Tach working. Clock. I'll cut it off here. Put it down in gear. The horn works. Shut the door here. Go on around here. I'm going to show you underneath the hood. Like I said, the hood, underneath the hood, it is powered by a, to the best of our knowledge, it is powered by a stamped front pad DZ302 power steering, power disc brakes. Like I said, it's an X33. Got all the right markings on the firewall on this side as well. So just a really, really nice, clean car. So if you have questions, you can call us. I'm going to shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton, and you can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, we're going to take this beautiful car for a test drive and see how it does. Take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 for a test drive and see how it goes. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect to be test driving classic cars. Got all your gauges there. Show them your blinkers working real quick, Dad. There's your left. Go ahead and hit your right. There you go. Horn works. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. driving car, doesn't shake or rattle. Just an excellent driving car.
Just wants more problem.
Yeah, that's all we think. I know everybody's gonna ask, so these are cables to plug in your phone, if you'd like to plug in your phone, and this is a cigarette lighter, so for charging your phone if you would like to. I know everybody's gonna ask, so. All right, as we edge around here, we are going to have him get on it just a little bit like we always do and see what this Camaro is made of.
You know, the downshift was really good in this one.
Okay, yes sir. Got a little bit of traffic going on today. Got one. There we go. Car's got lots of power, runs and drives great. Just an excellent running driving car. Really, really nice. We are almost back here, and like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, if you have questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath.